Taking Action, From Strategy to Scope 3 Plan, is our most comprehensive short seminar in the series, and it is designed for one specific kind of person, a ship chandler who is ready to move. Not ready to learn more about sustainability in theory. Ready to build a real operational plan, and start executing it. If that sounds like where you are, stay with us for the next few minutes. I want to show you exactly what this seminar delivers, why it is different from anything else available in this space, and what you will physically have in your hands by the time you finish. Let me describe a pattern I see across the maritime supply industry right now. The question is where ship chandlers fit in the emissions picture. Shipping companies are now required, or strongly incentivized, by regulators, investors, and clients to measure and reduce their Scope 3 footprint. They need their chandlers to provide reliable emissions data. Chandlers who can do this will win more business. Those who can't will lose it. This seminar gives you everything you need to be on the right side of that dividing line. Most ship chandlers are aware that Scope 3 emissions matter. Some have attended a seminar or read an article. A few have started to look at how they might calculate their footprint. But very few, genuinely very few, have crossed the gap between knowing and doing. Between sustainability awareness and an actual, structured operational plan that their team is working from every day. That gap exists for a reason. Awareness and measurement tell you where you are. But turning that knowledge into a plan, defining your reduction priorities, structuring your supplier engagement, updating your procurement criteria, setting targets, building a reporting framework, that takes a different kind of guidance. This seminar provides that guidance, step by step. When you finish this seminar, you will not just know more. You will have a completed Scope 3 action plan for your specific business. You will have defined green procurement criteria ready to apply to your next purchasing cycle. You will know exactly how to approach your key suppliers. And you will have a Scope 3 summary ready to share with shipping company clients. This is where knowledge becomes action. Let me walk you through the 8 presentations, 8 pre-recorded sessions, that make up the seminar. We open with overview of the sustainability tools and strategies available specifically to ship chandlers, from carbon accounting software to supplier questionnaire templates to procurement scoring systems. This is a practical toolkit, not a theoretical survey. Presentation 2 is the heart of the early seminar, on how to go from theory to action at your desk. This is the presentation where we address the I understand it but I don't know how to start problem directly. We give you a clear, sequenced set of first actions that any ship chandler can take, regardless of where they are starting from. Presentation 3 covers supplier engagement, on how to initiate the conversation with your suppliers, what to ask them, how to structure a simple scorecard, and how to build an ongoing relationship that produces the data you need to improve your Scope 3 footprint year on year. Presentation 4 on green procurement addresses one of the most powerful levers available to ship chandlers. The products you source and supply represent a large portion of your Scope 3 impact. This presentation gives you the criteria and the decision framework to start making purchasing choices that reduce your emissions without compromising on quality or cost control. Presentation 5 shifts focus to communication. How do you present your Scope 3 work to shipping company clients in a way that builds trust, creates competitive differentiation, and keeps them coming back? We show you exactly how to structure and share your emissions story. Presentations 6 and 7 take you step by step through building a complete Scope 3 action plan, the structure, the components, the target setting methodology, the timeline format, and the progress tracking framework. And presentation 8 is a workshop. You don't just watch someone build a plan. You begin building your own, during the seminar, using your real business context. You leave with a document, not a blank template. By the end of the seminar you will be able to select and apply the right sustainability tools for ship supply operations. Initiate and structure a supplier engagement program for Scope 3 data collection. Integrate green procurement criteria into purchasing decisions. Communicate Scope 3 performance effectively to shipping company clients and stakeholders, and build and present a structured Scope 3 action plan tailored to your business. The maritime industry is at a turning point on sustainability. The companies that navigate it successfully will be those that moved early, that built their measurement systems, engaged their supply chains, and had their action plans ready before the pressure became unavoidable. So, here's your call to action. You will go from knowing about Scope 3 to having an actual plan on your desk, one you can begin implementing immediately. Enroll today and leave with your Scope 3 action plan. Or, for the complete journey from foundation through measurement to implementation, enroll in the full Scope 3 seminar. Your instructors, Olkistis Onistosiou, lawyer specializing in maritime and international law, and Dr. Katerina Koenster, CEO, World Maritime Academy, a highly accomplished professional with a wealth of expertise in the field. Both are here to guide you every step of the way. Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs. The maritime industry is moving toward net zero. That journey runs directly through your supply chain. And the ship chandlers who lead on environmental compliance won't just survive that transition, they'll thrive in it. This course gives you everything you need to be one of them.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.